a certain scarring that goes with being an alcoholic. Plus, what are these noises, Nigel?
This is the emergency broadcast system.
It's probably the end of the world.
Why don't they test on somebody else's show?
No, they do it every morning.
Why don't they test when Lavero's talking? I'm talking now. I'm thinking, or am I right on this,
Well,
G?
I think to most people
I
it's
hate
kind
this
of
noise. I'm going to kill somebody.
it's kind of indecipherable in the way you can understand
Doug
drug
in here.
addiction and you can understand alcohol addiction.
We'll be back with I hate this noise. Do we have an engineer? Do we pay an engineer here?
No.
Is there somebody paid to be an
Get a break.
engineer?
Yeah.
I'm not sure there's anything we do. It just sort of takes over. It was on the telly for a bit as well. You know, it's just
My
sort of,
God.
I know you're not the only one who hates this.
Matt Kelleher will join us when we return on
Kelleher.
Tony Kornheiser.
Kornheiser.
This is You've Got a Friend by James Taylor and Carole King. And they were just singing this song, singing a different song, Will You Still Love Me Tomorrow, on the Today Show, which was beautiful. And the studio cooperated with that stupid ticker tape finally ceasing. I can't believe that a station of this magnitude doesn't have an engineer who can come in here and stop this. And if Dennis can hear this, since Dennis runs the radio station, he ought to bring somebody in here who can dismantle this thing that interrupts us every single day with insane noise. Insane noise.
I've got a little sledgehammer that would dismantle it. I'll bring that in.
Happily smash this thing. I would take my Amy Shipley snow shovel.
Make a plate out of this
And I would
thing.
smash this thing into a million pieces
Trey.
if I had the opportunity. Matt Kelleher joins us now. I'm angry, as Matt can tell, which means he thinks I'm healthy.
That's right, 2 days in a row with snow shovels right
Yeah,
before I came on. That's
exactly.
such a good sign.
Yeah. I'm very happy we're playing this. We don't ever need an occasion to play Van Morrison.
We don't.
Singing Into the Mystic, but is there some particular reason we're doing it?
Well, yeah, I'm still trying to pacify you from the agitation from the noises of the machine.
I don't understand this. I mean, this is this is not some
shouldn't be
tin
that
pot
hard to
radio
figure out.
station.
It will be at the top of my list as soon as we get off the air.
Just take it out.
Let me say, I worked at a radio station with Dennis Pryor, and we had a similar incident. We asked for help, and within 30 minutes, he had it rectified. So maybe it's personal in this case. Maybe he doesn't
That's
like
his
you.
job. Well, that's his job. His job is to make sure
Well,
that
you can get it done.
better be done by tomorrow. You can read.
Sure. We would like people to discover.
I won't be here tomorrow. If this persists, I will not be here tomorrow.
Is that a threat or
I'm
a
telling you
promise?
now, I will not be here tomorrow.
You're not going to be here anyway.
Really? No. Rob in Arlington, isn't the sole reason for the emergency broadcast system so that we can warn La Plata that they are about to get pounded by a tornado? Mike from Burke, Virginia, I share your concern about noise in the studio. For instance, whenever I tune in your show, I keep hearing this whining, droning, complaining sound, and it just goes on and on and on. Can you do anything about that? This is a serious matter because this is like a dopey ticker tape that goes on. Does it affect the other shows here, Nigel?
Well, yes and no. But
Whenever the mothership sends out.
Well, yeah, but we're the only show that does the show in this studio, so.
Really? Where do the other shows do
That
the show?
studio.
That studio right there.
Well, why
Where
do we do
Lavero
the
is
show
right
in
now.
this studio?
Because we like to be together. We like to be with Nigel. Was my
Oh, so you,
understanding.
Nigel, you would be in another room?
I would be
Yes.
in this room and
No,
you
no,
guys
no,
would be
no,
there.
no, no, no. I don't like
Well,
that.
that's
I
the
don't
answer to your
like
question.